Hello guys. So guys, I just created my new business card. So let me show you guys. So here it is. So you can see this is my business card. Hello guys. So let me show you how I created my business card. So without any further ado, so let me show you. So this is the card. This is the card size. So you can create your business card by using these templates. Here there are different templates, but I am using this template. So let's create the back side of the card. So as you can see, I have just created, this is the website link. So you can add your company logo, over here. So let me upload my picture. For example, let me upload picture. Should I upload? So let me upload this picture. So this is the company logo, so we should upload. So let me upload this picture. So we need to add a circle. So we need add a circle. So we need a circle. We need this one. This is our company logo. So we need to resize this circle. So this is your company logo. Write your name, network, resize your text. You can write this is your backside. You can also add we can also add social media links. We need to find social media links, social media icon social media icon like this: Facebook, YouTube, YouTube, Twitter, Twitter, TikTok. If you want to make it circle, you need to add circle. Go to graphic. Add circle. Set the icon size. You can add this. So that's how you can create your business card. So this is the back side of your business card and this is the front side. So you can create your business card like that. So if you like this video, so please give the thumbs up. So guys, would you like to create your business card like I did? Created my business card in Canva. So please do comment below and let me know how you like my business card, and do suggest me should I create with a different style. So hopefully I'll be waiting for your comment, and do share with your friends. So if you like this video interesting and you learned something, please do comment and let me know. So see you guys in next video with a different topics.